Hi guys, I am back today with a small Temu haul and I'm going to do a nail design at the end of it. It'll just be a quick design that I've recreated from a photo of one that I liked online. Now the first item I have to show you is one of these nail sticker or decals that I use. It's like a little folder to keep the decals in. Now this item was discontinued, but there are plenty of them on Temu, so I will link an alternative. There's one at the moment which is $4.26 online, which is around about what I paid, so I will link that for you below. And this is really handy because I'm starting to get a big collection of decals and it's, you know, sort of pulling them all out and going through them. So this is an easier way, obviously, of just sort of flicking through and picking out the ones that I want. And this next item that I got is a nail art display card. Now I thought it was actually one piece, like almost like a crystally sort of ceramic piece, but they're actually like cardboard and they come in different colors, different designs. It's $2.59, but it's just an easier way. You'll see me using this at the end of the video. It's just an easier way of me being able to display my nails at the end of videos and for photos, rather than sort of crippling my fingers to get them into a position for the camera. So I just thought I'd pick them up and see how they went. Next up is another nude polish. The brand is Fresco Baldi. Hope I pronounced that right. It was $2.29 and I use my nude a lot and I really love the brand that I'm currently using. This one seems to be a little more on the, I'm gonna say less pinky side, so more nude, slightly. So I will compare it with the one that I use, this one here, and you'll see as I sort of show you up a side by side that this one has more of a fleshy pink color and the other one is more of a tanny nude, but both really nice, so I'm looking forward to using these. So here is a swatch comparison of the two. Not sure if you can really see them clearly or not. What you can see, this one here is a little bit more pink and the other one's a little bit more tan. So depending on your skin color or depending on what type of nude you like to use, but I think I'm gonna get good use out of both of these. And this next item I got is some Coffin shape frosted nail tips, or they're whole nails, they're not really tips. There's 120 pieces and they were $2.32, and I got these because the nails that I normally use are shorter Coffin, but I also wanted to have some that were a longer Coffin just for designs that I want to do that look a little bit better with longer nails. So I got these and I'm looking forward to using them. I really like that they're on the strip because they're just easier to, you know, fit onto the nail and see what size fits rather than sort of digging around in the individual sizes, and then sometimes I get them mixed up. But these are really good, so I'm looking forward to giving these a try in upcoming videos. Okay, the next three items are all the same but in different colors. So this is a silver, or it's a glitter silver color liner gel polish. So I'm just going to show you what each one of them look like. So this has got glitter running through it, and you know, I use that obviously for nail art and stuff like that. And I got the silver, I got the champagne as they call it, which is like a rose gold, and I also got the glitter gold. So I'll just quickly run you through the colors to show you what they look like. Each of these were $2.11. Now this is the gold one that I got in another haul, but I just wanted to show you, this one's more of a yellow gold. When I purchased this one, I thought it was like the glitter gold from the one I just showed you, but they're quite different in color. So I really wanted to get the glitter gold just so that I can use that. I probably will use that more than the yellow gold. Okay, this next item is their little white pearls, or they call them caviar beads, and I got these. I'm not really big into pearls. It's not really my thing. I'm more like bling, but there were a few designs that called for maybe a few little pearls, so I thought they're really cheap. They're only $2.80 for this whole pack, so I thought it'd be good to just have them on hand if there ever is a design I want to do that requires some pearls. So, and they come in all different sizes, so these are going to come in really handy. Next up is some pink glitter. Now this is actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be, so I don't know how many nails I would get done with this, but I guess glitter goes a long way, doesn't it, as long as you sort of catch it and put it back in. So this was only $1.47, and it does come in 12 different colors, but I just really wanted this beautiful pink. Got some ideas flashing around in my head, but you'll see them in upcoming videos when I do those. So next I got some art brushes. So these are going to replace my Haggerty old $2 brushes that I got from like the dollar store. And although they have served me a purpose, I decided to, for the price of these, anywhere between $2.99. They're out of stock at the moment, but there's plenty more on Temu exactly the same, so I will link an alternative down below, and they range from $2.99 to $3.77. So these will come in handy. They've got a variety of different brushes, some with double ends, and I can just throw my old ones out because they don't work very well anymore. And here I have some more decals. These were $1.19, and they are 5D embossed nail art stickers with butterfly moon heart design. So they've got like a gold and black tone to them. So I was looking at doing maybe some, I don't know what you would call that, boho sort of designs, maybe with some green polish, which I'll show you shortly. But yeah, there are so many decals on Temu. So if you are someone who loves to have a bit of nail art, but you're not really good at doing it freehand, decals are a great option. Next up, I have some almond shaped press-on nails. So it's 120 pieces, and they are like a baby boomer style, like pink and white tips. And I thought I would just get some almond shaped because I mostly wear Coffin, and I thought some designs sort of look better in almond shape, so I thought I would grab those. And they were only, how much were they? $5.20 for 120 pieces. And I thought these were really pretty, so just to have a bit of variety. I can't wear polish really on my natural nails yet, they're still too short, so I'll be doing my designs with these. Next is a cat eye polish in a mint green color, and it does come in multiple colors, different shades of green and bluey green. It was $2.86, so I'll do a swatch of this, do 2 coats and come back and show you the finished result. So this is 2 coats, and I have used my magnet because it is a magnetic polish and it comes up really well. Now the next item is actually a 4-piece set of polishes. They're called Fairy Tale Cat Magnetic Gel Polish. Now it's showing that they are $11.05, sorry. They were a little bit cheaper than that, I think, when I got them for about $9. But prices go up and down on Temu all the time. So, and you can get price adjustments also if you do buy them and then they turn up at a cheaper price later. You can request a price adjustment, you'll get the difference back. So I'm going to put all 4 of them on swatches and show you what they look like. And I would love some comments about any designs that you would like to see, because I'm not sure how I'm going to use them yet, but I just loved the colors. So this is all 4 colors, and I've just put the little swatch stickers on the top so that I know which color is which, and I've done swatches of each of these as well so I can show you, and they're in order I think of 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're just so pretty. They're very, I don't know what you would call them, unicorn type colors. Yeah, so some ideas would be great. I'm not really sure what to do with them yet, but yeah, feel free to leave me a comment. Okay, and the last of my nail items in this haul is a little mini desk vacuum. Was watching another YouTuber who does a lot of nail designs, and she uses like a white towel underneath, and she has one of these little vacuums just to vacuum up everything, and I thought that was really handy, especially when you're doing clippings and stuff like that and there's a lot of dust. So it does require batteries. It was $5.65 and it comes in multiple colors, but I thought white would be best for me. So I haven't got batteries to put in it, so I can't show you it being used, but I will let you know in future videos what I think. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the nail design that I promised. So I'm going to use these almond tips for the design, and I will insert a picture here of what I'm trying to recreate. Now these were actually a Temu press-on nail, but I'm sure the design belonged to somebody else and Temu stole it from them. But I'm going to use this magenta color instead of blue. So I'm just going to, rather than give you like a full tutorial, I'm just going to give you the basics. So I'll get all my nails on like I've done here, and then I will just kind of do a step-by-step video to show you what I used. Now I just went ahead and finished the thumbnail off camera because I realized I made a mistake. I should have put the nude color underneath to provide like a sticky base for the gold flakes. So I just went ahead and did that off camera so I could come back and show you the finished result, and then I will continue to show you what I did moving forward. So I've just given all nails a coat of nude polish, and I'm just going to cure those and I'll be back. Okay, so the next step's going to be just putting on the polish on half, which I'll just speed through. Now I just wanted to let you know that these nails are just stuck on loosely with the sticky tabs, and that's why they don't look so close to my finger or stuck on properly. But I just like to do these designs and take them off while my nails are still growing out. So that was just a heads up as to why they might look a little bit funny, but I will keep moving, and I probably won't talk through the rest of it unless there's something specific that I need to tell you. So enjoy and feel free to leave me comments. You could use any color to do this design, even Sistico. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. And here is the finished design, guys. I think it's really pretty. I love it. I will probably try this in other colors as well. Let me know what you think. I would love to hear your feedback. And here it is again in some natural light, just so that you can get a better idea of the colors in a natural light. But it's a fairly easy design to do. Thanks for watching.